my friends, Lisa Frideborg here. Today I thought we'd have a look at the biggest tarot deck, which is the Giant Rider-Waite, and the tiniest tarot deck, which is the Tiny Universal Waite Tarot. At least these are the biggest and tiniest decks I know. There might be a smaller deck on the market, there probably is. There might be a bigger deck too, I haven't seen any. If you know what they are, please let me know in the comments. But the reason I brought these two out today was because I thought, well, why don't we try to find a way of using these two together in a way that's really helpful for us as seekers of truth? So then I had the idea of pulling out a standard size tarot deck. So this gives you a little bit of perspective as well. So here we have a standard sized Rider-Waite deck. So why don't I pull that out and do a Celtic cross, and then we can see if there are any of the cards in this reading that I might want to replace with the tiniest cards or with the larger cards, and why I would want to do that. So let's have a look. So this is the situation, the first card in the Celtic cross, and we're just looking at the next 6 to 8 weeks. This is the challenge with the Six of Wands. This is what crowns me, the Ten of Swords. This is what is beneath me. And this is read as either as the unconscious mind or the distant past. And here we have the Three of Coins or Three of Pentacles. In the past we have the Wheel of Fortune. In the near future, the Page of Cups. And, oh, ouch, my own energy, the Three of Swords. Surrounding influence, the Devil, action advice, and outcome, the Ten of Pentacles. So looking at these cards, the general situation isn't actually looking too bleak. We've got it concerns an attachment to the past. More confidence is needed with the Six of Wands as the challenge. I might be aware of a situation where I feel defeated and backstabbed and general unpleasantness. This was a big event because of the Wheel of Fortune, and it's kind of keeping me a bit stuck in the past in a sense that I'm nostalgic for not the backstabbing, but for better things to come back to me. And the Page of Cups is showing a return to innocence after this betrayal. The Three of Swords is obviously the heartache of the betrayal. The Devil is a need to cut cords because this toxic person or these people or the situation is still kind of lingering, I would say, with the Devil as the surrounding influence. The Ace of Wands ties in with the Six of Wands as courage and confidence needed here. And then the Ten of Pentacles I would read as a return to harmony and stability, prosperity, and being able to look forward to the future once more. Okay, so there are some pretty bleak cards in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize their influence. I'm going to use my willpower to do that. And I'm going to thank the Ten of Swords. And I'm going to thank the Three of Swords for showing me what's going on, and thank you, Devil, but we're going to minimize your energy now, and instead we are going to use the Giant Rider-Waite card in the outcome position. And this is the card that I would possibly spend some time in meditation with, and that I would place on my altar because it actually does represent a desired outcome. And in the meantime, I don't want to give any power to the negativity, seeing the energy in these minimized cards. So it's like I'm shutting my mind's window so that the energy can flow to the stronger visual, the larger visual, which is the Ten of Pentacles. So this is how you can use bigger and smaller cards in a way that is perhaps helpful and practical. Or I hope so anyway. Let me know what you think in the comments. If nothing else, it's a bit of fun. And it's a good reminder, I think, that we do get to choose where our energy flows and how we want to feel. Okay, so I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Lots of love.